Hi, everybody. I'm Madam Raine, and today I'm going to break down the mechanics of the basic tribal fusion belly dance posture. This posture is what I like to call neutral position in my cardio belly dance classes. It allows for the optimal range of motion for all of the joints that we want to articulate. One of the things about this posture, it is very grounded. It's different than your traditional belly dance in the sense that your knees are bent, and we'll get into that a little bit more. In fact, let's just go to the dance cam and I'll break it down. All right, so as I mentioned before, this is a very grounded posture. And the most important aspect of the body that keeps you grounded is not your feet, your belly button. Our belly button is going to be engaged. That's the first thing because that's what's going to ground us. The second is the placement of the feet. You want to have your feet hip width apart. And by hip, I mean your hip bones. So bringing your hands onto the side of the hips and then sliding them in so your thumbs are going to be connecting with your hip bones and send those lines right down. I'm going to turn around so you can see what your feet are going to look like when you're looking in the mirror. Hip width. Rolling those shoulders down and back to lift that heart, start to activate that core. Next, let's talk about those knees. Our knees are going to be bent the majority of the time in this posture. As you start to come into your neutral position, your knees will bend so your shoulders are aligned with your hips, which are aligned with your ankles, and your belly button is pulled in enough that your chest lifts up and blooms. Let's take a look at it from a different angle. Basic standing posture, neutral position. Standing posture, neutral position. Regular standing position, neutral position. Shoulders, hips, ankles. We're not done yet. Let's talk about the arms. Holding your arms like this takes practice. Let me give you a couple visuals. Imagine you're in a bathtub, one of those big closet bathtubs, and you're just resting your arms along the rim. This type of visualization will look like the arms are relaxing in this space. Everybody's body is different. We're going to do a test to see how your knees are going to provide you the best alignment. You're going to start in your neutral position. Neutral position. Feet are hip width apart, belly buttons engaged, shoulders rolled down and back, hips slightly tucked downwards so the sacrum is pointing down. I'm now going to lift my heels into a releve. And once I start to do that, you'll start to engage that core because that is what grounds you. Now let's take it for an even bigger test. Let's start to transfer the weight to one foot and lift that knee. I'm going to do this in one shot just to show you. Now try the other side. Now, the sweet spot of your knees is going to be where you can maintain that balance on one foot with your heel lifted. This is my sweet spot. Once you found your sweet spot, the last step is to bring those heels down. Now you've got your grounded neutral position. Check your balance. Send those heels down. Neutral position. Lift the heels. Check your balance. Feels good. Set those heels down, and you're ready to rock. I hope you found that video helpful. Now you're ready to dance. Go to cardiobellydance.com and join me for online classes, private lessons, and more. You can also look at my videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media as Madam Raine. I hope to see you on the other side of my screen. Until next time.